of Aethelgard! A century ago, our ancestors bled upon the ash of the Great War to push back the suffocating shadow of the Hollow King.
For 100 years, we have lived in the fragile peace they bought us, looking up at the sky with a lingering fear of the dark. The shadow that passed over us a day hence once again reminded us of that darkness. But this time, the shadow does not bring fear, it brings hope.
For many years, we assumed that we alone, elves, dwarves, and humans, held the line against the Hollow King in the Great War.
But we have learnt that we did not. There were others on that day who gave more than we could have imagined, so that we could live in peace. This is Aurelion, the last of the dragon mages. It was his kin, his brothers and sisters, that gave their souls to bind the Hollow King in the darkness of the void. He has come to us for help. And the free peoples of Vaelora will answer.
We are no longer a realm waiting helplessly for the darkness to return. This time, we take the fight to the Hollow King himself.
Even as I speak, your prince and princess, the Gemini Soul, Kara and Valen, and their brave council, are flying to the corners of the world on a mission of unprecedented hope. They do not seek to merely keep the darkness at bay. They go to forge an unbreakable trap that will lock the Hollow King in the void forever. Do not look upon the heavens with fear today, Aethelgard. Look upon them with hope. Hope for a new world, where Aurelion's kind will walk among us in unity. Let us celebrate this day as the day when we pay back the debt we owe to those who asked for nothing, but gave everything that we may stand here in peace.
As your High Weaver, the safety of this kingdom has been my utmost concern for most of my life.
Aurelion and I go now to ensure that safety endures. Not just for today, but for your children and theirs. Be hopeful, Aethelgard, and look after each other. Stand together. Until we, your prince and princess and their council return.
From me.
Yes.
Your king and your High Weaver speak wisely to you of hope, good people. Now, look upon my true form, not with fear, but with that hope. For I stand among you not as a foe, but as a friend. Together, we shall build a world free of the Hollow King's darkness, forever.
Oh, wow.
Claim the skies, Taliya. One last ride.
Hail Taliya, our High Weaver! Dragon Rider!
God's thunder. Well, as my nephew is fond of saying, Eldris. That's not something you see every day.
No, Thrummond. It certainly is not. summoned me, my lord.
Yes, Crag. It seems that the time I have awaited for so long has finally arrived.
The path to my ascension is finally open. But the children of the court seek to block the doorway. The same troublesome children, it seems, who did this to me 10 years ago. Even now, 2 of them. The Prince Orin and his fiery little bride are flying toward the Iron Peaks.
The Ironfoot Prince. Crag remembers the deep tunnels. The dwarves drove my pack into the dark. We break them?
You will do more than break them, Crag. They ride to open the undervaults. They seek the signet of Earth, the very anchor my master brought into this world, to bleed it dry.
They possess the tools to bypass the ancient elemental traps. Tools we do not have. You will let them do the work for us. Descend into the deepest, abandoned mines beneath the peaks. Gather your shadow pack and wait in the absolute dark. Let the prince and the girl find their prize. But the moment the signet is unearthed, when they are exhausted and celebrating their petty victory, you will strike.
Make that vault their tomb, and bring me that signet. They say revenge is a dish best brewed slowly, Crag, and I've waited 10 years to serve mine.